Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, January 15th, I believe, and today we're going to go check out our mango tree and see how we're looking. The last time I took you guys out here, we had some blooms. Well, somebody wants to play. Okay, Storm, hold on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, my bad. So we're going to go out here and take a look at the mango, see how we're doing. We're about 60 degrees right now, so it's a little chilly. But I just wanted to look at how we're doing here. We had a couple of blooms, and I was questioning whether they were going to be leaves or not, and it looks like they're, what do they call them, panicles? So that's wonderful. Alrighty, yeah, so this was the plant that my dogs broke when it was smaller, and it was just a stick in the ground, and I was gonna pull it out, but I said, no, let me see if it grows back, and it did, but it's been growing for like 3 years now, and we haven't had any blooms or anything on it, and this is our first year, so it's very exciting. So these are panicles, they call them panicles, so hopefully, God willing, we don't get a cold front and it kill these blooms or whatever. So I'm really excited. So hopefully all of these blooms will get pollinated and we'll get some mangoes this year. I wanted to show you also. Let me see if I can find one. So you see that right there? That's gonna have a bloom, another bloom coming out. That one's got a bloom, or a bud rather. I'm super excited about this. So yeah, that's our mango tree. So hopefully by June, God willing, we don't get a cold snap and it kills them. We'll get some mangoes. I did want to show you guys also here is, this was the mulberry that I thought died off. And then I came out here yesterday and noticed that we're starting new leaves. So there's hope for this plant yet. Show you some more plants over here. These are all of our potatoes, so hopefully, I think February 1st I'm going to pull these out and hopefully have some potatoes. And then I'll be able to use all of these buckets here for my new seeds that I'm going to be planting. And it looks like the birds got this one tomato here. That's a bummer. Let's go ahead and pick this one here. Here's our cranberry hibiscus that I started from seed from my other plant. That worked out pretty good. And look at these. Look at these peppers, guys. This is like a, I don't even know, black pepper. I'm not sure. They're growing really nice. I gotta find out when I can pick this. Not sure. Maybe now, I'm not sure. I'm gonna look it up before I go ahead and grab it because I am not a good gardener. I'm learning as I go here. So, And there's my greenhouse. Hubby put the cover back on it after the hurricane. It got knocked down. He put it back up for me. We got a big project in here. That's all the wood from one of the tree limbs that got knocked down from the hurricane. He went ahead and cut it up, and we're drying it out so we can do a couple bonfires. So yeah, that's what we got going on here so far. And let's see what's going on with our herbs. They're all doing pretty good. They're hanging in there. Look at these tomatoes, guys. We're in January. I can't believe that we're growing tomatoes right now. My comfrey. I want to get this out of the pot soon and plant it in the ground. This I ended up getting little roots in the mail from Etsy. I ordered from Etsy, and I got, I think, 3 or 4 roots that they sent me, and this is what it grew into so far. But I'd like it to get huge, so I'm going to use that for fertilizer. But that's it for today, guys. So if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel so you can be notified of our next video. And until next time, stay blessed.